Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be installing the Turbosmart dual port diverter valve to our 2019 2.0 Camaro. This easy to install valve is going to provide us with a quicker throttle response since the valve is designed to close faster than the factory valve. This action keeps as much boost retained in the charging system, giving us a better acceleration right off the bat. The installation is going to be easy since Turbosmart did make this kit a plug-and-play unit. So once we get the factory valve removed, install this one and plug it right into the factory connector. Starting off, we are going to remove the intake. Remove the connector from the MAF sensor. Pull up on the retaining tab and squeeze the connector to release it from the sensor. To remove the breather hose, we will have to squeeze the retaining clip and pull up on the fitting. Loosen the clamp holding the intake tube to the turbo housing. Pull back on the tube to ensure it is loose from the housing. Once loose, we can then pull up on the intake and remove it as one complete unit. Check the intake for any factory grommets that may have come off and reinstall them to the correct location. With access to the factory diverter valve, we can remove the factory connector. Use a small screwdriver to remove the retaining clip and remove the complete connector. With the harness set aside, we can remove the three 5mm Allen head bolts holding the factory diverter valve to the turbo housing. Once all the bolts are loose, the valve will simply pull off. To install the Turbosmart valve, locate the flat portion of the valve and install that pointing towards the turbo inlet. Bolt the valve down back in the factory location using the supplied hardware. Connect the factory harness to the Turbosmart connector and place it away from any moving parts. Reinstall the intake back to the factory location, making the connections to the breather tube and MAF sensor. Now with the valve installed, we can enjoy the quicker throttle response and the new sound we get out of releasing the throttle. Since we opted for the dual port version of this diverter valve, the opening of the valve will vent to atmosphere, giving us that awesome turbo sound. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this diverter valve, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.